Good afternoon, distinguished guests, member of Board Trustees of IFPRI, dear colleagues, all participants. Good afternoon. I think that's we complete. We have 3 speakers here and 2 discussion openers. We have Dr. Paul Doros, is Director of Development Strategy and Governance Division at IFPRI. Good afternoon. Dr. Fermin Adriano, Policy Advisor, State Peace Building Project, World Bank, Philippines. Dr. Budi Reso Sudarmo, Associate Professor and Head of Indonesia Project, Australian National University, Australia. And we have 2 discussion opener. Here, Dr. Xu Li, from IFPRI, Board Member and Deputy Director of Institute of Economic Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, China. And Dr. Ari Kunchoro from University of Indonesia. In this session, we will discuss about rebuilding after emergencies. I would like to make some highlight maybe for this topic. I think that we have 3 areas to be considered on this topic. The first one is about the disaster itself. All understand, I think, that during the emergency situation, a lot of people suffer from it, and they would be very desperate to find something to eat. In this case, the most important in respect to the need of the people is the availability of food and how the people access such foods. Disaster itself is unpredictable. Although there are some natural disaster caused by people, as well we call it man-made disaster, which could be the result of long-time natural disasters, resources utilization, and for economic reason. During the difficult situation, the government and other stakeholders, including international organizations and other countries, are expected to take their part to help recover such disadvantaged situation. Is the first one. And the second one is about rebuilding itself. To our concern, rebuilding activities should be based on what the people have in the disaster region and what extent would be the development objective and achievement should be made. Various resources are required from financial point of view to the field technical expertise. Rebuilding framework and associated facilities are other resources to prepare. The effort requires willingness to involve, followed by policy strategies and implementation. Initiative may come from many domestic or international institutions. However, the local level institution or organization, either government or non-government, I think is the main stakeholder with whom any assistance should be engaged. This means that the stakeholders should take their part in every stage of rebuilding activities. The last one is about the cooperation. Cooperation and commitment should be highly required to cope with the emergency situation. All stakeholders, I mean domestic and international, should also be well considered and plan to overall a program and activities according to the respective recovery fields. For applied suggestion, a close operation could be implemented in many ways. Each country could bring along their respective expertise, exchange valuable information, and work together to deal with various important issues to rebuild the region affected emergency. We are delighted to have this session to discuss about how we rebuild the disaster-affected region with focus on the impact of climate change, price volatility, and food security for better living standard and condition of other people. I think it's for just introduction. I would like to invite the speakers. I think you have 10 minutes for presentation. Dr. Doros, please, Paul Doros, it's your time.